Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today let us know about what are the causes of early baldness in men and also what are the treatment options available. So early baldness mainly seen in between ages 20 to 30 years. At this age, people has many triggering factors like due to stress, due to genetical factors, and due to hormonal imbalances, due to fluctuations of hormones, and also nowadays teenagers are exposed to screens and also their sleeping habits. All these affects triggering factors to lead that leads to baldness. And some people they doesn't maintain hair condition, like they doesn't wash their head regularly. They has dandruff, psoriasis, and also dermatitis. All these fungal infections may cause baldness, which act as triggering factors. Most of the teenage age people follow diets. They doesn't take nutritious or balanced diets uh, to maintain their weights and all. So by doing all this, they lose the nutritions that they want in their daily lives. So that leads to nutrition deficiencies like low zinc, iron, biotins, and all these conditions leads to thinning of hair and also baldness. Main solutions to stop this baldness in early ages are to contact your dermatologist immediately whenever you notice receding hairline, and follow their prescriptions like using minoxidil and also finasteride according to your ages, and also go for biotins, multivitamins, and also go for therapies like PRP, GFC. All these may stop control your baldness, as well as if it is uncontrollable, or last option is hair transplant. So mainly transplant is done after 18 years of age, and it has no age limit. Up to 60 to 65 years you can go for hair transplant. So I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching this video.